name's Eric Klein. I'm with Analog Devices, and we're showing A2B here at InfoComm. A2B is a digital audio transceiver technology that can transmit up to 32 channels of bidirectional digital audio, plus I2C and SPI, and up to 50 watts of power and GPIO over a single twisted pair cable. We can daisy chain up to 16 subnodes with a node-to-node distance of up to 30 meters and a total network length of up to 300 meters. This demo is showcasing a potential application of a podcast system where each guest in the podcast would have their own box powered by A2B with an individual headphone amp, mic preamp, and cough button. And you could daisy chain up to 16 of these all over a standard XLR mic cable. And you can find out more at www.analogdevices.com/A2B.